Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your WooCommerce orders with JetBackup step by step clearly. To backup your WooCommerce orders with JetBackup, start by logging into your cPanel account. Locate the JetBackup icon in your dashboard. Click on the JetBackup icon to open the JetBackup interface. In the JetBackup interface, find the Backups section. Select the type of backup you want to create. For backing up WooCommerce orders, choose File Backup. Next, navigate to the File Manager within JetBackup. Browse to the directory where your WooCommerce data is stored. Typically, this is located in the WP Contents/Uploads directory. If needed, select any additional folders containing WooCommerce data. Once you've selected the necessary directories, look for the Create Backup button. Click the Create Backup button to begin the backup process. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of data. After the backup is successfully created, navigate to the Restore section in JetBackup. Here, you can see a list of your existing backups. To ensure your backup is working, select the most recent backup entry. Click on the Download option to save a local copy of your backup. Double-check the downloaded backup file to ensure it includes your WooCommerce orders. Once confirmed, you can store it safely on your computer or an external drive. Consider setting regular backup schedules for ongoing protection of your WooCommerce. This way, you'll have peace of mind knowing your orders are always secure. Regularly review your backup settings to accommodate any changes in your WooCommerce setup. With these steps, you can efficiently back up your WooCommerce orders using JetBackup. Following this process helps protect your e-commerce business from data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.